Hi everybody, thank you for watching. Today I have not only a very special guest, but a birthday girl, and her name is Brooke. How old are you today?
11.
You guys have been following me for a while. She's been in a few videos with me, and I cannot believe she's all grown up. So today what were we doing earlier today?
What were we doing?
What did we do today together?
Oh, we went horseback riding.
Yeah, so we went horseback riding today because that's what she wanted to do. And then we had some lunch, and I was gonna go home and film a video, and she suggested we film a video together. So what are we gonna film today to show them?
I'm doing your makeup.
She's doing my makeup. So this is what we have in front of us. Lots of rainbow colors. She picked out all of this, so I can only imagine how this is gonna come out. So wish me luck. I can't look until the end, that's the rules. And I also can't help you. You have to read everything and try and figure out how to make it look how I normally do it, hopefully. The goal is to make me look somewhat pretty, hopefully. All right, so what goes first?
Setting spray.
Setting spray?
Yeah. This.
And why does that go first?
Because you need to set your face.
You set it?
Close your eyes.
You don't need to spray it so close. I just showered.
So I don't know what. Sorry, I'm blocking you.
Okay.
So I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm just gonna go with it.
Just go with it, honey. What is that for?
It's called luxury powder.
What is that called?
Powder. And then
Setting powder? Where are you gonna put that?
on your face.
Why?
This.
I have to clean all my brushes tomorrow, huh? Is that a smiley face?
Beautiful. That's your makeup. You're done.
That's it?
No.
I had my toenail removed finally, guys. They know about it.
I don't think they
It was a struggle for a month. I know, it's so gross,
I
right?
don't think they need to know.
It's finally gone, and it's sore. Poor me.
Close your mouth. So I can't, no,
Like what?
right over so I can get, there's something right over.
Lip liner?
Yeah.
Leave it.
No.
Yeah, I put it on purpose.
No.
Blowing up my spot.
Good.
Is that nice? No.
See, look at that. Oh,
How
no.
dirty of me.
Yeah, just trying to get your color.
What number is that?
Oh, 4.
So you're just currently testing all 3 shades to find out which one is the proper tone for my skin tone?
Yes, ma'am.
Cool. And you're wiping off all the setting spray and the powder.
Cool.
You're putting it on the back of your hand? Are you a future makeup artist?
No.
No? What is your next adventure? You want to be a teacher? What grade? You're so rough.
Yeah, because it doesn't blend.
What are you using?
Just powder stuff. Powder stuff I already used.
Banana powder?
Yeah, to lighten up your face.
To lighten it. What horse did you ride today?
Quincy.
Quincy? You like Quincy?
Yeah.
You like him after today?
Yeah.
Steve was a little bit of a lazy butt. I can't believe you're 11 years old. I remember when I was wiping your tushy still. How old's Colin now? 13? I'm like, oh my god, I'm getting old. So where we were today, we were at BMR Farms. It's a horseback riding place, and I realized that when I used to go, it was like 20 years ago. I rode horses for probably like 6 years. I did like shows and all that, and it was just so crazy being there. We went, was it like 2 years ago for your birthday we went? So she started going horseback riding there, so we went again today. I will not be able to walk tomorrow, I already know it. I was squeezing my legs so tight, and I worked out this morning. I tried a new class, so RIP to my legs. Is that the right color?
Yeah.
Under the eyes, why?
Because that's where concealer goes.
Oh, that's that. And what is concealer used for?
I don't know.
For dark circles or bags? Ow, maybe a little gentler.
I don't know how to blend this in.
You know what's gonna be really cool? The day that you're actually really good at makeup and you can do my makeup and I can just sit here and sleep while you get me ready.
You're so mean.
Is that nice?
You're probably not good at
What?
makeup.
I didn't
You
say
said
you're
you're
not good.
actually good at makeup.
I didn't say that.
Yes, you did.
No, I'm sorry. I meant when you're older. You know, you're only 11, so. Not that you couldn't be good at makeup at 11. You're good. You're very artistic. Ow.
Let's go on to the other side.
Don't worry, I have two. I don't need both of them. What's with the lip? What's with the upper lip? You're like, this is her. Does that mean it looks bad?
Doesn't tell me
That's the
what
contour.
this is.
That's the cream contour.
I don't know what contour is on my face.
Does my neck match my face?
No.
Oh, should it?
No. Maybe it should. Head up like a giraffe.
Like a giraffe.
Stay. God, bony neck.
You don't? Let me see yours. Oh my god, don't! Why do I have such a bony neck?
Yeah. You're a giraffe. Big brush. That doesn't have cat hair.
You know, there's cat hair on everything.
Mental moon.
Mental or metal? It's a mental moon! He's mental!
Metal.
Metal.
Metal. Metal.
Where is that gonna go?
On your cheekies.
The cheekies?
Like this.
Oh, that was my face.
And like this.
Is that my cheek?
Yes.
See this pimple I have right here? It's gonna be bigger after you do my makeup. So the point of highlighting in those areas are for what?
Pimples.
To highlight the pimples?
Yeah, so you can't see them. My pimple.
Because when you highlight things, it makes it disappear, right?
Yeah. And an eyebrow.
What is that? Wait, you gotta tell them what that is.
Shockwave neon eyeliner. Oh wait, this is that. Wait, I need the eyebrow stuff. Where's the eyebrow stuff? I guess this is eyebrow stuff today.
You're mean. You're really mean, aren't you? You're a little devil child, aren't you? Did you see what?
No, I just wrote on myself.
What you want to use?
No, that hurts. I don't want to hurt you.
Aww.
I did draw a smiley face with my hand. Can't see.
Who goes
We
that?
just got a letter. We just got a letter.
Millie says happy birthday.
Hi, Millie.
Should we call her really quick?
Yes.
FaceTime her?
Is it someone's birthday?
Yes.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Cool.
She's doing my makeup.
Oh, Lord.
Alright, I'll call you tomorrow.
I love you both. Bye, bro.
Love you.
Love you.
Bye.
AB8 Norvina collection. This color.
So, Brookie, what did you get so far for your birthday?
Air Force One stickers.
What kind of Air Force Ones?
Low top white.
Mm-hmm.
Gift cards, body sprays, gift cards. And yeah, a bunch of stuff.
And what did me and my mom get you?
An air trap.
An air track!
Air trap.
Yeah! What is that for?
A tumble.
How fun was that trampoline place the other day?
Urban Air.
Yeah, Urban Air.
It was fun.
When I look down, like if I cross my eyes and look at my nose, I can see green. Oh, dig right in there. We should get the entire thing on one brush. The last video we filmed together, the Bean Boozle challenge,
Yep.
where we ate those nasty
Yep.
jelly beans. Did you do anyone else's makeup ever?
No, no.
It's your
No
first
one
time?
trusts me.
No one trusts you?
No.
Oh, I can't imagine why. You're making a rainbow on my face?
So yeah.
You think so? You're cleaning it off in between or no? Oh, just the most expensive palettes ever. Think I can go out on a hot date after this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. I just have to see how she's digging into each color. She's like,
I'm not a witch.
yeah, you are. What? Why are you laughing? What's funny? No. doesn't look like how I normally do it.
No. Sadly.
Sadly. Oh, now we're just
Oh, I
gonna
burned
blend.
your brush. Sorry.
Now we're just gonna blend everything together. Does that look better? Really?
Yeah.
Yes.
Bones queen. Oh yes, that looks so good.
Does it? Oh yes, we brought it back to life, baby. Swift movement. What are you doing? I'm gonna tell the people what you're doing so they can recreate it on themselves. Stars? Are you doing like my phone case? No, the Caviar X Carli Bybel? What happened? I didn't have one for you, right? Worst cousin ever. Lindsay, she's stealing your technique of contouring. I was getting ready with my friends on New Year's, and this is where my friend Lindsay was contouring right in front of me, where Brooke is putting whatever the heck she's putting on my face. I'm like, Lindsay, it goes on your cheekbone, not on your face. I'll bite you. I'll bite that hand. What color is that, and what is that?
It's Carli's.
Are you drawing me a mustache or are you lining my lips?
I'm just maybe keep that.
I feel like this beauty blender is gonna have to be thrown out. You're erasing what you just did?
Yes, ma'am. So I'm gonna put this stuff on her nose to make her nose look shiny, so she can be a glazed donut.
How nice of you. So normally I love to contour my nose, as you guys know, but today we're just gonna highlight it and make it look 7 times larger.
Yes,
Go, we're just highlighting my whole face?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it highlights for your whole face.
My ears too? We can't forget the ears.
Can't forget the neck either. Giraffe neck.
Is that nice?
Yes. It's a compliment.
Is it?
Yeah, isn't your favorite animal a giraffe?
Is my favorite animal giraffe, Brooke? What's my favorite animal?
A penguin?
Penguin. Oh, sweet baby Jesus.
Close your eyes.
No, for real though, you gotta be super careful because I don't wanna like scrape that off the top because I don't wanna lose an eye.
Close your eyes. Let's just not talk about that.
Did it get on my nose?
No.
Oh my god. Brooke! You think I look pretty? Wow. Honestly, the eyes are kind of cool. Besides the eyeliner. What happened here? Is that a mistake?
No.
Great job, Brooke. Wow. Love it. Well. Was that fun?
Very.
Very fun. All right, well, thank you for coming in my channel.
Black, white, green, or blue. Flamingo.
Because mommy's
if you're
gonna beat my butt.
multicolored, that's cool too.
All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Did you have fun, you little crazy devil?
Yes.
Happy 11th birthday. I love you. Can I have a kiss? Mwah. All right, now we gotta do a kiss. Ready? Go. Mwah. I want to show them what you did to me.
Here I present you a masterpiece.
Let me see the masterpiece, Picasso. Baby, you look beautiful. Honestly, Brooke, I think you can take her job.
I think so too.